Hello everyone, my name is Logan Nunez and today I'm going to walk you through my floating fusion reactor design. So let's get started. So first drawing, from the top you have the command center along with communication, and then the bulk of the plant itself is the fusion reactor building. It houses the waste storage, the nuclear material storage, and the reactor itself. Towards the right of the drawing you have the power cable spool. Towards the left of the drawing, you have helicopter pad and the hydroelectricity room. Then the platform itself, which has two propellers at the front and two propellers at the rear. This is a topographical view. One thing to notice here is that you can see the V-shaped hole. And that's pretty much the biggest difference between the first drawing and the second drawing. So advantages of the design. Helicopter pad is a really good advantage when it comes to getting personnel on and off in a quickly fashion. It's good for getting inspectors on the platform when inspections need to happen. Propellers on the front and the rear of the platform are good for controlling where the platform is facing, which is a good thing when it comes to storms such as typhoons that happen in Indonesia. You want to be able to control which way it's facing. The V-shaped hole kind of plays in that as well, because if there is a typhoon or just big waves in general, you want to be able to break those waves. So being able to control the direction that it faces and having a V-shaped hole that can handle those waves is a good safety component and a good advantage. All the vital components are kept inside of buildings, so none of the reactor or any of the hydroelectricity plant or anything are exposed to large rainstorms or anything like that. So grading criteria, durability, I gave it an 8 because not only are the vital components located safely inside of buildings and out of the weather, but the V-shaped hole also means it's more durable when it comes to storms. The location, I gave it a 9 because since it is a mobile plant, it could potentially be in multiple locations. It could move out of the way of storms. So I think it's pretty high on the location. Resourcefulness, also an 8. Pretty resourceful as far as like water is something that fusion nuclear reactors in general need. And since it's in the ocean, it'll have a good amount of water. Safety, gave it a 9 because it is, when it comes to storms and things that are going to be probably the more detrimental things to a reactor in the ocean, it can handle those pretty well. Practicality, a floating fusion reactor is a little unorthodox, but as of right now, but it does open up a lot of doors as far as you can move it to different islands and things such as that. So that's my presentation. Thank you.